Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem and making it safe. First, park level and chalk wheels, then shut off the tractor and bleed the system to 0 psi so components are relaxed. Once done, disconnect the electrical and air lines at the glad hand and inspect fittings for leaks and damage. Make sure to support the trailer with jack stands before removing the axle load. This prevents sudden shifts. Now you can unbolt the retainer and expose the airbag for removal. You remove the old bag carefully, keeping track of hardware and orientation so reassembly is exact. Loosen upper and lower bolts, then slide the bag out. Inspect the piston plate, pushrod, and bracket surfaces for cracks or excessive wear. Once you see corrosion or scoring, clean mounting faces and replace damaged bolts or spacers to ensure proper seating. Make sure the replacement bag matches the part number and that air lines and fittings are free of debris before installing the new unit. You install the new bag by aligning it exactly as the original, then hand start bolts and torque to spec so the seal compresses evenly. Once mounted, reconnect air lines, restore pressure gradually to the recommended 30-70 psi and watch movement for binding. Use a soap solution to find leaks at fittings. Make sure load height is correct, then road test slowly. If the bag won't hold pressure, isolate that circuit and check the valve or exhaust port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.